Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying essentials, router model and firmware, plus your VPN account details. Log into the ZTE Web UI at 192, 168, 1. 1 using admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to System or Maintenance to back up current settings before changes. Make sure you have the VPN server address, protocol choice, username, password, and any pre-shared key ready. Use Ethernet to avoid dropouts. This prevents mistakes and gives you a rollback. Once done, proceed to the VPN configuration page in the router interface. You now configure the connection details in the VPN client section. Select the correct type, PPTP, L2TP with ISEC, or OpenVPN, because protocol dictates parameters and security. Input server host, credentials, and pre-shared key for ISEC. For OpenVPN, upload the OFBAN file and certificates if required. Adjust encryption and auth to match the provider, then set DNS, MTU, and routing preferences so traffic flows as intended. Once done, save the profile and apply settings. Allow the router to establish the tunnel before you finish by confirming the tunnel is active and devices route through it. Check the VPN status, WAN IP, and logs in the ZTE UI. A successful connection shows uptime and a new IP. Test with a client. Clear cache, then visit an IP check service to confirm the exit location. If it fails, recheck username, password, server address, and chosen protocol. Protocol mismatch is common. Also review firewall and NAT rules, reboot the router, and update firmware. These steps resolve most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.